Hey everyone, in Marbury here, your local Tracy Realtor with Remax Simon. And today I am at the Tracy Ace train station. I happen to be going to San Jose for a real estate conference, so I thought I would record my experience and let you guys tag along, let you see how easy it is to get from Tracy all the way down to San Jose using the Ace train. So come along and check it out. I've been on the train for about an hour and a half now. I left Tracy a few minutes after 6:05. Train was on time and jumped right in. So let me tell you really quickly how easy it was for me to jump on. Last night at 11:30, I bought a ticket and it went straight to my email, and I clicked on the link and downloaded the PDF. So this morning when I got to the train station, all I had to do was wait for the train, board it, and find a seat. The train, I ended up actually sitting in a car that has sleeper dim lights, so people can rest if they want to. But you're free to move about the train while it's on its way. So I ended up moving to a more lit up car and not disturbing people. Like I said, I boarded the train and I pulled out my ticket, pulled it up on my phone. A gentleman from the train station walked by and he was clipping people's tickets, and mine happened to be on the phone, so he took a number down and I was good to go. It's been really relaxing. The chairs are super comfortable. Everybody's kind of quiet. There's other train cars that have tables in between them, so sometimes people pull out their laptops and get some work done on the train. But I'll probably be done in about another 15-20 minutes here, and I will get to my destination down in San Jose. It's been super chill, so you guys should check it out. So that's it. I'm here at the San Jose station. There's a train behind me. I just got off. Took about an hour and 45 minutes for me to get here. Super easy. And yeah, I can take the train back. There's 3 trains going back to Tracy later on this afternoon. But I'm here for the day, and it was a really convenient way for me to get here. So if any of you commuters or anything haven't checked it out, I would definitely recommend it. And if it's something that you've been thinking about moving to Tracy and figuring out how you're going to commute to the East Bay or the South Bay, definitely check out the Ace train as well. So I hope you guys have a good day.